To create your own 4 reps problem, you're going to write your own proportional relationship word problem. So here at the bottom in the green box, there are options of things you can compare. So you can choose a food item, say how much it costs, points per minute, students and pencils, any 2 things that you want to compare. On page 6, you're going to actually write your own problem. So I'm going to say I watched 2 episodes in 1 hour. And then I want to make it specific. So I'm going to say I watched 2 The Office episodes in 1 hour. So then that means here as my X value, that's going to be the amount of hours, because that's my independent value. And then I'm going to put here in my Y box, I'm going to put The Office episodes. So now I have my X and Y values, and I'm going to create a table. So to make it easy on myself, I'm just going to do 0, 1, 2, and 3. These numbers can be anything you want. And then I'm going to plug in what I have in the sentence that I wrote. So I watched 2 The Office episodes in 1 hour. So here's 1 hour. I'm going to put 2 episodes. And then I need to find the constant of proportionality. So to do that, I know I need to do Y divided by X. So I do 2 divided by 1, which is equal to 2. So that means K is equal to 2. So now knowing that my constant of proportionality is 2, I'm going to multiply my constant by my X values. So 0 times 2 is 2, 0 times 2 is 0, 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6. So now I have my table. And then I'm just going to do what I did for my 4 reps for all of the other examples we've done. So write the equation, y is equal to 2x. And then in order to graph it, I first need to type my x values and y values on my x and y axis. So here the blue line is the x axis, that's hours. So I'm going to type hours. Here, this green line is the y-axis, which I can see is the number of episodes that I'm watching. I'm just going to put episodes. And then I would just plot my points on the graph, identify the unit rate, and then write a sentence explaining a point. So for example, I could write a sentence explaining what the point 2 and 4 would mean after I plot it on the graph. So this is the same thing that we've been practicing. The only part that's being added is that you're writing your own problem to solve. On page 7, you're going to write your own questions. So these are examples from another student from last quarter. His problem was a soccer player scores 4 goals in 2 games, and then he wrote his own questions. If I were to show you the example using the problem that I wrote, I'm just going to redo my table. And then we're going to use the same problem. So I have that I watch 2 The Office episodes in 1 hour. So I could say how many episodes would I watch in 5 hours? Can say if I watch TV for 8 hours, how many episodes would I watch? And then I can just say how long would it take to watch 1 episode? So you're going to write your own questions. And then you're going to solve those questions and explain. So for example, it says, how many episodes would I watch in 5 hours? Well, I know that in 1 hour, I'm watching 2. So I'm going to do 5 times 2, which is equal to 10, which means in 5 hours, I'd watch 10 episodes. So you're just going to work through the questions that you've written yourself and then explain how you did that. When I say explain, I mean just show your work.